Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we are looking at some gears which are interconnected, and we are rotating gear A, and it's going to in turn rotate gear B and gear C. We're told that for two connected gears, the gear ratio R to S is the ratio of the number of teeth. So we are looking in this problem at, well, A, B, and C, but for the actual problem where we're finding a solution, we're comparing gear A to gear C. So what is the gear ratio from gear A to gear C? Well, gear A has 20 teeth, so it's 20. And then gear C has 10 teeth, so that's 10. And if we divide both of these by 10, it's going to be the same ratio, since we're dividing by the same amount on both sides. So we have 20 over 10 is 2, to 10 over 10 is 1. So the ratio of teeth between A to C is 2 to 1. And we're told that the number of revolutions of the same two wheels is the opposite relationship. So instead of R to S, it's S to R. So gear A, the gear ratio from gear A to gear C is 2 to 1. So therefore the revolutions ratio is 1 to 2. So gear A has twice as many teeth, therefore gear C will have twice as many revolutions. So gear A is rotated by the motor at 100 RPM. So if we want to change this relationship to represent the actual situation, we can multiply this by 100, and then we can multiply both sides by 100 to keep the ratio equal. We have 100 times 1 is 100, which is what we were expecting. We know that gear A is rotated at 100 RPM. Then we get 2 times 100 is the revolutions of gear C. And this makes sense because this is a 1 to 2 relationship, in the same way that the gear ratio is 2 to 1. So the revolutions per minute for gear C is 200, which means C is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.